Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757, just giving a business and a home tip. I'm actually a computer technician, and one of the biggest things that consumers, including myself as doing business, is ink. When you buy in a printer, they make more money off the ink than the printer is even worth. And you really can't get around that. But if you want your ink to last a little longer, for instance, I just bought ink for my HP printer. It's 4 of these, but I only print in black and white, so you only have to change this. If you want it to last a little longer, get the one that says XL. The XL is twice this size, but it fits this particular kind of printer. And when I actually do print, I turn the color off because I don't need to. I'm just printing out black and white. But I also go down to the color quality and I put it on the lowest. You're not going to actually even tell the difference in any shape from away, but you're using less ink. If you just hit print on something that's black and white, you're using all of your colors and mixing together. And now you're depleting those. And when you need to do something in color, you're not going to have that. But if you just do black and white, the only one you need to be concerned is the black. But spend the extra money, go to Amazon or wherever you want. No one's telling me to say this at all. But get the one that says XL, which has more ink in it and it will last twice as long. But the key is to turn it off the color if you're doing black and white. And then go down to quality. It's going to be somewhere in your properties before you hit print. And then look for the quality and hit it on the lowest. And you won't be able to tell the difference. But this particular one lasts me about 2 months the way I do it. If I did not do that way, it will last me a month or less. With this one, it should last me 3 or 4 to 5 months the way I do it, even though this has more ink in it. This is just a business tip because it's very expensive. Ink is very expensive. It don't matter what printer you are, they're going to get you on the ink. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.